Imagine bringing your innovation to life without the barriers of traditional manufacturing. Today, over 50% of high-tech innovations never reach mass production. They're trapped by rigid, slow, outdated, and expensive manufacturing systems. That's why we created Faactopi. We are revolutionizing manufacturing with a simple mission: to make industrial production as agile as software development. Our unique manufacturing as a service solution helps innovative companies, from startups to established organizations, bring their products to market 3 times faster with complete flexibility and zero upfront investment. We've created a new paradigm where industrialization becomes accessible and successful for everyone. At the heart of Faactopi is our advanced, adaptive, reconfigurable manufacturing system, a groundbreaking approach that combines AI-powered software with modular hardware. This unique digital architecture allows us to simulate, optimize, and adapt production lines 6 times faster than traditional manufacturing. Through our partnership with Dassault Systems, we leverage factory digital twin capabilities, ensuring precise control and optimization at every step. Our state-of-the-art facility in Lyon, France, combines cutting-edge assembly technologies with smart quality control systems, guaranteeing full traceability and consistent excellence across every single product that we manufacture. At Faactopi, we provide a tailored 3-layer offer to support your product at every stage, from industrialization and optimization through virtual twin to pre-series production and full-scale manufacturing, including full supply chain management and end-to-end quality management. Our revolutionary manufacturing process that focuses on local production, shared resources, and creating jobs is a core part of working towards Europe's green transition and rebuilding European industry. No long-term commitments, no massive investments, just a smarter, risk-free way to bring innovation to life. We take the burden of industrialization off of your shoulders so you can focus on what you do best: innovating. Whether you're launching a pre-series or scaling to thousands of units, our unique manufacturing solution will guarantee success in bringing your innovation to life. So, join the innovators who trust Faactopi to shape the future of manufacturing.